2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, keyless entry, Bose sound system, backup camera, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.